Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Ibis X tutorial how to duplicate some things. So for example, you can create objects like I will use the brush tools and you can create new layer 2. So I will draw in here in the layer 2 and I will create again layer 3. I will draw with blue color in this point. And also in red color in this layer 2. Okay. Now, if you want to duplicate some things like in this object, you can choose the layer option, select the layer, and the next click at this option selection. You can click copy, and the next click selection again. So you can choose the paste. Click OK. Now you can use the move tools to move the objects. So we have duplicate in this layer. But if you want to duplicate like in this layer 3, there are two objects, blue and red. So we can choose the selection tools. You can use the magic wand. I will select in this blue object like this. Now you can duplicate by clicking the selection tools, copy, and then you can click again, click paste. Click OK. Now you can use transform tools to move the object. After it, you can choose the remove selection area. So there are two options. You can use the layer options or you can use the selection tools to duplicate something. Okay, that's it for a basic Ibis X tutorial, how to duplicate. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.